Hi, Kanye West or Yeezy Supply released a commercial during the Super Bowl saying all of his products on his website were going to be $20. My friend Nick sent it over to me. I picked up a shirt, but I'm wearing it. I wasn't planning on making a video on this. That's why when it came, I just opened it up. But then I realized I should probably make a video on this because there isn't much out there. So I'm wearing it right now. So quick timeline, I bought this on February 12th and it was delivered on March 5th. The thing is, once I got the confirmation email after purchasing, I haven't heard anything since, and honestly, I kind of forgot about it. I didn't get an email with tracking or anything like that, although there is a tracking number on the bag, but it just showed up and yeah. Okay, so this is the bag it came in, just a regular bag, no really flyer or anything like that, and then a packing slip, and that's it. And then the shirt. It wasn't in a bag or anything either, it was just thrown in there. But let's get to the shirt. I'm gonna have to widen my stance because my camera. So for starters, actually, now that I'm looking at the product on the website, on the computer actually, because I bought it through my phone, it says ships in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, yeah, I guess it makes sense, but that's besides the point. This is the one box tee. It has like a washed out type of black color. So their sizing is labeled as 1, 2, or 3, and if you look at their size guide, they label 1 as extra small to small, then 2 medium to large, and 3 large to XL, and it gives you the length, chest, arm, all that information you need. I'm wearing a size 1, so I guess extra small to small. I'm 5'9", 150 pounds, so this is how it looks. So if I stand straight up, that's where it cuts off. The length, this is where my hip bone is right here. My hip bone. Okay, and then you can see the sleeve opening right there. Good amount of room. Oh, this side. And you can see how the sleeves cut off. It's almost as if like you cut your shirt and then it starts to roll. So at the bottom, you could see it's rolled up all the way around. And usually this happens once you cut the bottom of your shirt or the sleeve of your shirt. It tends to roll up. The end of the fabric looks like it could come apart a little bit more if you throw it in the washing machine, so I would just kind of be aware of that. But it has rolled up quite a bit. So unrolled, it's right here, and then rolled up. Same thing with the sleeves, but the sleeves are rolled inward, whereas the hem, it's rolled out. And on the back, screen print number 1. Screen print's done pretty well actually. It reminds me of almost, I used to have one of his shirts from, I think it might have been called the St. Pablo or Pablo concert many years ago, and the print, it was the Kim K shirt, I believe, and the print is very similar, the quality of it, so it's pretty good on the back side. And there are no tags or care labels on the inside of the shirt anywhere. And on the back, you have a number. I believe it's a number 7. The collar, it's nicely fitted. It's not loose. Usually oversized tees or bigger tees can have a fairly wide collar, but this one's pretty fitted, which I really like. But yeah, this is the fit. I got a size 1. It looks like it's still on the website, so there are lots and lots of shirts for you to pick up, as well as a ton of other clothes, and it looks like they're all still $20. So there you go. This is from Yeezy.com. I'll link that down below. And if you like oversized hoodies, there's a brand called Seventh Earth Studios. I just did a review on them, so check that out. I'll link that in the corner of this video as well as in the description. I also have a promo code TOFER. It'll give you 10% off with them, and I really like their sweaters. I've been wearing it almost daily, so check that out. Oh, one last thing. The quality of it, it feels like it's almost 100% cotton. Don't quote me on that. There's a decent weight to it. The quality of it feels really nice, and it feels like a higher GSM. So, I mean, for $20. Oh, also, like, I forgot, shipping. I feel like this is how they get you. So pricing. The shirt was $20. Shipping was $15. And then tax was $1.45. So the total came out to $36.45. But yeah, shirt was $20, shipping was $15. I mean, they got me. But $36 total. I mean, I could live with it. Anyways, that's all I have for tonight. This one's a short one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.